How to go live on Likee app. Now, it is very simple and easy and straightforward to go live on Likee app because unlike the TikTok app or other applications where you need a certain amount of followers or a threshold to reach a number and only enable the live option, Likee does not restrict you for that. You can go live from any type of account. For example, you can see my account which I just created, which only has one following and 0 followers, but then I'm still able to go live if all I have to do is tap the plus icon from the very bottom of the center screen. Then right here you can see this option that says live, so I can just tap on the live option there, and over here I can simply add a title. I could go ahead and then add a name. I could go ahead and then customize many settings, and finally when I'm done I can hit the go live option to be able to go live on the Likee app. So this way I'll be able to go live on Likee. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.